What's up guys, Cycling Fanatics. First review video, and the review is gonna be about this one. The Pro Bike Tool Mini Ratchet. Jim from Pro Bike Tool sent this to me and I'm gonna show you guys how it comes out of the package. And I will tell you if I like it or not and if I think it's useful for us cycling fanatics. That's the most important thing. Products that are useful on the bike or off the bike. Alright, opening the package. Little piece of paper, some instructions. Always read the instructions. This is the pouch. Just a really simple pouch, two little sockets inside. Alright, so I've read the instructions. It's pretty easy. It's just a ratchet tool. It's packed in this plastic with tie wraps. Not really easy to open. I'll need a knife or a pair of scissors. Alright, this is how it comes out of the package. Alright, now I would like to check which of these fit on my bike and if everything that I need is in here. Here's the bike. Let's start off with the stem. I want to be able to adjust my handlebars. The stem, yes. Handlebar, yes. Top cap, yes. Little GoPro mount thing, yes. The brakes, yes. Bottle holders, yes. Cranks, yes. Seat, what else do we have? We have a screwdriver for derailleur adjustment, but for derailleurs it's not super handy. Sometimes you have bigger Allen keys on the cranksets, maybe. And there's Torx. I don't have any Torx on my bike, but sometimes you do. And a regular screw driver. To take out the bit, you have to push this backwards and it comes out. Works really nice. So click, boom. Because like this it doesn't come out. Like this it does. Works the same. The quality is good. You can reverse direction with this little handle to open and close. Alright, so this Pro Bike Tool stuff comes with a lifetime warranty, which is very nice, and also they have a support email address, so if there's something wrong you can email them. Okay, final verdict on the Pro Bike Tool Ratchet set. Very nice made piece of equipment. It's very small, so it fits in your pocket easily. Would I take it on the bicycle? No, because it's a bit heavy and it doesn't fit in my saddle bag. Also, I've never used anything in this pouch in my cycling life while I was out on a ride. So I've never had to adjust any Allen keys or whatever, Allen bolts, whatsoever. So I wouldn't take it. I would be alright with just a bike pump and an inner tube. But would I use this at home or on a bicycle trip? Yes, because it has every tool you need to work on your bike, and also it's very handy for other stuff around the house, especially with the Ratchet. So it's a nice tool, Pro Bike Tool Mini Ratchet tool set. The link of this tool is in my description, so if you want to check it out, just click on the link. You can buy it on Amazon. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more reviews, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see training videos, food videos, vlogs in cycling all around the world, check out my cycling vlog, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. See ya!
Ik heb helaas een probleem.
Ja, hi back. Siri.